Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I would like to show you the way how you can rearrange the application on your home screen here. So some of us could be sometimes feel so boring with the display of this application. So you can rearrange it to be more fresh for your phone display. So if you want to rearrange it, you just need to do this instead. You just need to click and hold into the application. So let's say I want to start arranging from this WhatsApp. So you just need to tap and hold and wait until the application is start to be shaking. Give a little bit move, create, and then you just need to drag the application into the specific area that you want to place them. So here you can also adjust up or adjust the widgets too, so you can just do the same. You just need to drag this widget into the specific area that you want to have, and then you can also remove several applications for the display if you want to. So let's say here I would like to adjust this the application with similar color to be together in one side so that it could be more organized. It takes a little bit of time since it will be like moving a lot, so you just need to enjoy it. Okay, I got this application with the same color together in one place, and the next I will let to gather the some of social media that I use that often to be in a one range too. Perfect. And then I will let to remove some of the application from my home screen. If you want to do that, you just need to tap into the minus button here and then click remove from home screen. You can do for the rest, and then you just need to tap done if you feel everything is well organized, and then you're done. So you already have the new display in your home screen. So that's for today's tutorial. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification sections to get the upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.